I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must pause immediate action. Do not attempt removal at home. Start by inspecting and photographing the mole from multiple angles so you can track changes. This helps your clinician. Once done, gently clean around the lesion with mild soap and water. Make sure to avoid scrubbing or applying acids or improvised tools. You are documenting and stabilizing the area, which prevents infection and preserves diagnostic clues. This first step protects you and creates accurate information for a professional assessment. Now focus on gathering precise information so you and your clinician can decide next steps. Write down symptoms like bleeding, itching, pain, or rapid growth. Include dates and any triggering events. Once done, note your personal and family skin cancer history and recent sun exposure. These facts change urgency. Then contact your primary care provider or a dermatologist and request triage for a suspicious lesion. Make sure to mention any bleeding or rapid change, so you get timely evaluation. You should plan removal only under professional care. Here's why and what to expect. A dermatologist evaluates risk, often performs a biopsy or controlled removal by shave or excision using sterile technique and pathology when needed. This ensures safe margins and accurate diagnosis. Once done, follow clear wound care instructions and watch for infection or abnormal healing. These are your troubleshooting signs. If you notice rapid growth, irregular bleeding, or severe pain, seek urgent dermatologic evaluation rather than attempting any home remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.